Hey there! In this video, we'll show you how to find trending sounds in Instagram. This is a great way to stay up to date with the latest audio trends and create engaging content for your followers. Let's get started. There are several ways to find popular sounds used in a reel on Instagram. One way is to tap on the music note icon when creating a reel. This will bring up a list of suggested sounds that you can use for your video. However, it's important to note that some of these sounds may be banned in your country. Another way to find a specific sound is to tap on the moving waves at the bottom of a reel. This will bring up a list of all the sounds used in the video. If you like a particular sound, you can tap on the Use Audio button to add it to your own reel. You can also search for sounds by using Instagram's search function. To do this, simply tap on the magnifying glass icon on the bottom of the screen. From there, you can search for sounds by typing in keywords related to the type of audio you're looking for. For example, if you're looking for popular music trends, you can search for trending music or popular songs. Another way to find trending sounds is to look at the reels of popular creators in your niche. This can give you an idea of the types of sounds that are currently popular and help you create content that resonates with your audience. It's important to keep in mind that audio trends on Instagram can change quickly, so it's a good idea to stay up to date with the latest trends and adjust your content accordingly. By using these tips, you can find popular sounds on Instagram and create engaging content that resonates with your audience. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials on Instagram and other social media platforms.